Right guys, welcome back to another episode of Northern Carp Blanca. I'm up nice and early this morning because today is my first match of the year. I'm off to Cromptons Carp League. It's not just a one-off match, it's a league. We all get 3 matches each. We get a match every 3 weeks. This is my first match. I pulled out in the draw Group C, so I was the last group to have a match. I'm up nice and early. The time now, 6:20 in the morning. We draw pegs at 7. And yeah, only 4 people are off the mark up to now. A bit of luck. I can get off the mark myself today. There's only 3 of us in it today because 2 of them are on holiday. Like I say, it is a league, so you do get 3 matches each. It doesn't actually matter if you have a blank session, because you've got another 2 matches to catch up, because it goes off overall weight after everyone's 3rd match. Best 5 top weights go through to a 30-hour final, and I can't wait. I'm absolutely buzzing for it. I've pulled in my group. I've got Dave, Jonesy, Danny and Jay. Jay, first time I ever entered it, I beat Jay by 6 ounce in the actual final and won it. Last year I finished 3rd, so I have finished in trophy position every time I've entered it. So hopefully, after my 3rd match, get into the final again, get another trophy. Right guys, I'm going up to the lodge now. As I can see, Jay's here already, nice and early and all that. Early bird catches the worm. Absolutely buzzing for it. So we'll see how the day goes. He's here now. Main man Jay there, looking at the water, wondering what pegs he's going to get. Just give you a quick look, see if you can see him. There he is. He's there now, my main man. Give us a wave, Jay. Hey, we're up for it, lads, we're up for it. Right, I'll catch you later when we do the draw. Right guys, welcome back to Northern Carp Blanca. As you might be able to tell, well I don't know if you can tell, but I'm in my match today and I'm off the mark. I'm 2 hours into my match. It's now 5 to 10. The rods have went out at 8 and I've just had my first fish. I've just had a fish from right there. Got half a rod left to that pipe there in the centre, and I've got another rod. Oh, and I've got one just off the right of them reeds there, off the rushes. I've had a single bleep on that one, but that's the one I've had a fish from. See, there's water coming through the pipe. This is my swim. I'm on peg 1 today, that's what I drew out of the bag. Lucky dip. Happy with my results. And yeah, 2 hours into the match and I'm off to start. Nothing mega, only £10.10. I've put it in retainer for a sec because I just wanted to get the rod back out on the spot. Just fishing on 2 pieces of slow sinking corn, which is wafter corn, for those that don't know what slow sinking is. And yeah, just a single PVA nugget. Don't know if you can see my nugget out there. Just about to make my nugget out now, it's drifted off the spot. And yeah, it's done the business. I've had it's nearly a fully scaled fish. It's one of the new stockies that went in this winter. £10.10, I think it's a C3. But yeah, brill, I'm off the mark. No one else on the lodge has had anything yet. So, up to now, I'm in on the leaderboard. I'm in 4th spot up to now. Like I say, I've got 2 matches left. I've got all the way till 6 o'clock this evening. But I'm off the mark, that's what counts. I'm just fishing over 2 spods. I'll put out over that rod, over both rods, I've put 2 spods with dead maggot and some black amino dust powder ground bait, but the finest you can get it, it's just like flour, it's that fine. I've gone for the black because I don't want to create no big like colour in my swim. I'm only fishing probably 2.5 foot of water, that's what I'm in. Same with the other rod, that's probably 2.5 again. Fishing as tight as I can get them without the fish taking me under the pipes or anything like that. I'm fishing locked up on both. And yeah, just like I say, it's got dead maggot in it. I'm fishing on 2 artificial corns. I've put it's got about 1/4 kilo of crushed salty squid bottom baits from mainline that I've just took through the crusher and added that to it as well, so there will be the odd little flex, but it's all just crumb mainly. I just want my actual hook bait, 2 wafter corns, to stand out, and I'm fishing on the IQD rig, which I call Dan's Doomsday rig, with the wafter corn. It works a treat, and it's gone. So I'm happy with that. Right guys, I'm going to put this vid down now. I'm going to get the fish out and give you a little look at it so I can put it back in case I get another run. Catch you laters. Just give you a quick look at the lake, see if you can see it. Might be able to see anyone. This is the lake from my swim. I've got Jonesy there under his shelter, looking through his binocs. And we've got Jay down there with the bailiff today, Lee. He's bailiffing the match today, weighing all the fish. But I have been noticing a lot of fish in Jay's swim. He's on peg 5, but he's got a lot of fish down there. I keep seeing him topping. If that was me, I'd probably be trying to fish from on the surface. But yeah, we'll put vid down now. I've had some dog biscuits out. You can see the seagulls and ducks now, taking them up. See if I can show you this fish, and then I'll put it back. Just trying to see if I can get them going on the surface, because I've been seeing them topping all on peg 5. I don't know if he's surface fishing. Quite a bit away from me, so I can't really tell. Alright, I'll catch you later guys. Right, I'll give you a quick look at this fish now. He's a nice looking fish. She decides to behave, she has had a good rest. Thank you very much. Give you a quick look at the inside of it now. Well happy with that. There we go. A lovely looking fish. More of these, we're well over the moon. Like I say, I'm currently in 4th spot having this fish now. Fish. nicer now. Make sure her fins are flat to the body. Not lifting her up. Great stuff. Catch you later. Welcome back. Time is now about 3 o'clock. I've not had another fish off the bottom. I did put some mixers out. Got my swim working, got fish coming up comfortably. Set up my surface controller and everything. And then a big swarm of seagulls coming. I just got my surface float out within a minute. Big swarm of like 15 to 20 seagulls coming in, just absolutely ruined my swim and pushed all the fish off again. Did get a bit of sunshine, so I thought I'd fire some biscuits out. And yeah, got them going, but just destroyed me. Got a couple of hours left, got 3 hours left of the match. Jay down in peg 5, he's managed to wiggle one out. He's had the old original ghosty, which he had at £11.3. So he's 9 ounce in front of me today, so he's knocked me into 5th spot now. I can just wiggle that one more fish out, then I'll be happy. I can get 2 fish out of this session. Just put my bottom bait rod back out on 2 after corns on IQ D-rig. Nice tight in underneath where I did see all the fish showing, because it was tight up against the margin where I put the biscuits and everything, but nothing. We're just going to set them out now. See what happens, eh? Keep my eye on the water. Jonesy on the next peg, he's not had a fish yet. He's had a couple more bleeps, but nothing's come of them. See what happens. Right guys, stay tuned, because hopefully I might be able to wiggle a fish out. Ciao for now. Guys, back at home now, as you might be able to tell. Packed my shelter away, I didn't have any more fish, so I packed my shelter away and then started bouncing it down for the last half hour, so hence that's why I'm finishing the video off at home. I just managed the one from that Carp League session. Jay managed to wiggle another one out, which I think was a 16 something, so he's currently in 4th spot now. I'm down in 5th, just on in position to finish in the final. Everyone's had a match now, so yeah, until next time, I'll see you back on there when I'm in the next match, which is 3 weeks away. So I'll be going down on this Sunday to see how them lads get on. Only actually 6 of us are off the mark out of 15. And I'm in a pole position to finish in the final. Just got to get in that top 5, I'll be happy with that. Right guys, until next time, see you on Cromptons Carp League.